Alright, what's up guys? So we started the disassembly process last night. We took apart some of the bolt-on pieces and now we're going to start lifting up the cab, separating the motor, trans, and getting everything final welded and ready for powder coat. Alright, so we got it up in the air here. We're trying to see if it's really gonna work. It looks like it's not too bad. We're gonna try to keep lifting it up and hopefully it stays on the stands.
Yeah, well, that and all the sketchiness, like, because it's not fun if it's not sketchy.
It's kind of easier.
Alright, so we got the cab lifted up here. We're gonna try to slide this thing out in between the two, and hopefully everything goes smooth. We got our homemade car dolly here. An old pallet and some casters. Works out not too bad.
Yeah, buddy. Nice winter day out here. Go see what Tim's up to. What up?
What up? Alright, so just working on this sway bar here. As after the air was set up, we loaded up and down. I was like, this just isn't gonna work. This arm was hitting the back of the wheel, so we're just redesigning to figure out
Yep.
how else we can make it work.
Try to move her to the front.
Yeah, so I got this piece made up here. I think we're gonna be able to just go right like this and tie into the front end over there.
For here, we got the air hooked back up last night. Tore it all out of the cab and rehooked all the wires and lines up. So she's a full roller. Yup.
Yeah, kind of marked out. I'm just gonna figure out this angle.
Get that angle for the bends and then should be pretty good. Yup. Let's go bend her up.
Alright, so we said we wanted about 33 inches in the center.
Yup.
Got that. 9 inches over here. We got a little bit extra for
Making
a
her
little bit of adjustment.
go test her out.
It's gonna take back to the shop and probably gonna have to add one more bend here.
Kick it in a little bit.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the sway bar in the fire here. We were trying to crush it before. We just couldn't get enough force on it. So we got her nice and hot. Let's see if we can crush her in the vise. Oh yeah.
Like butter.
All right, that should do. All right, so the fire worked. We were able to crush these ends down. Over the day, we figured out our bends, got it all made up, and now I'm gonna work on cleaning it up, and we're gonna test fit it.
Let's go take a look at the frame. I'll show you guys why the first iteration didn't work out. So originally we had the sway bar mounted in the back here, right to the A-arm there on a little plate. That bent the plate and it also contacted the wheel, so we decided to move it up to the front. You can see over here, we mounted these blocks in. We just have riv nuts in the bottom of those, and we'll be able to mount our sway bar with these mounts.
Back here working on the sway bar. It's been a couple days. We had to get some different end links. Our AutoZone ones just weren't quite gonna work. We had to get these with the Heim in them, as you can see right here, just for a little more rotation with the bags going up and down. Yeah, we got it all figured out, bent it, crushed it in the fire. Yeah, we made it.
Good enough.
So you can see we got the sway bar all finished up. That was the last thing we had to do on the frame. So we're about to take the engine, the trans out, and flip the frame over, get the final welds on the back side, and then she's ready to go out to powder coat.